How to fix TikTok login expired. So first of all, open TikTok. Here a sign up page will appear. At the bottom of the screen you will see login. Click on login. Then whether you want to log in with your phone, email, username or Google, click on any one that you want. Right now I'm clicking on Google. Then click on the Google account that you've created your account with. Set your birthday. Click on continue. Create your nickname. And there you go. Now you will be able to log into your account back. And if this issue is repetitive, what you can do is make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. You can also try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. One more thing that you can do is simply open TikTok. Then go to your profile in the bottom right corner. And in the top right corner, you will see these three lines. Click on it. Then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see free up space. Click on it. Here, click on clear cache. Enter clear. And next fix that you can do is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for TikTok. Here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then update your app and try to relaunch it and your issue should be fixed now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.